Hello folks, welcome to my latest video. Now I was recently contacted by Soundcore who sent me this package containing two brand new products which are part of their Space series. Now this rather fancy looking package has a perforated pull tab and the words "always distracted by noise" on the box. So let's go ahead, pull the tab and do some unboxing. Now that was really satisfying. So the tagline on the box reads "Every journey sounds good" and has a big Soundcore branding on it. Soundcore is a brand owned by Anker. So as I said earlier, this is part of Soundcore's new Space series of products. The two new products in the Space series is a pair of headphones, the Space Q45 and the Space A40 Earbuds. There's also a leather pouch type item. In this video I'll unbox both items and look at the main features. I'll start with the Space A40 Earbuds, then I'll move on to the Space Q45 Headphones. Okay, so the leather pouch type item is actually a card holder and isn't leather at all. It does, however, have a nice little lined notebook inside, and the holder has Soundcore branding on the inside as well. So this is the Space A40 Soundcore's new earbuds. It comes in this nice little box, and as I've said earlier, it appears to be heavily centered around noise cancellation and long battery life. Let's take a closer look at the box. The Space A40, described by Anker as true wireless cancelling earbuds. On the front of the box it says these are high-res wireless, they have adaptive ANC, which is active noise cancellation, they offer up to 98% noise reduction and have a 50-hour playtime. On one side of the box it says incredible sound loved by 20 million plus people, and on the opposite side it shows a diagram of the earbud and explains more about the noise cancelling technology. On the back of the box it's got a list of features. So the Space A40 has adaptive active noise cancelling, 10 hours of playtime which is increased up to 50 hours with the charging case. It offers high-res sound via double-layered diaphragm drivers, noise reduction by 98%, and they are ultra compact and lightweight. There's also a Soundcore app available for both Android and Apple devices, so let's go ahead and open the box and take a look inside. So inside the box we get a small black case which obviously has the earbuds inside. We'll come to this in a moment. Let's see the remaining items first. You get an instruction manual, a USB A to C charging cable, and finally there's also a selection of different size rubber ear tips. So the case for the Space A40 earbud is a nice and small matte black finished case. It's got a nice smooth feel to it, and it's small enough to easily fit in the palm of your hand and has a mirrored finished Soundcore logo on the front. On the back you have a USB Type-C charging port and a small round button. The earbuds themselves are nicely housed inside and have a mixture of black gloss and matte grey finish. We'll look at them in more detail a little later. Now the Space A40 is a feature-packed pair of earbuds, and I would advise you to spend a few minutes to briefly go through the manual to familiarize yourself with the main features and controls. So let's just quickly go over the manual. It starts by advising you to wear the correct ear tips for your ear size. It talks about how to charge the earbuds and what the power indicator on the case means. So it takes approximately 3 hours to fully charge the case, and a quick 10-minute charge will provide 4 hours of playtime. The case is also capable of wireless charging and has a charge indicator on the front which is denoted by small white dots. Next, there are instructions on powering on and pairing the earbuds. A nice feature of these earbuds is that they can connect to two different devices at the same time, so this part explains how to do that. There's also a section on manual pairing the earbuds, which involves the small button at the rear of the case. There's a section that explains the touch controls as well. And of course, then there's the Soundcore app. Now from the app you can do so much more. We'll look at the app in more detail shortly, but essentially the app lets you easily control all functions of the earbuds quickly and easily. Towards the end of the manual there's also a section on resetting the earbuds. It's a really well laid out manual, easy to understand and very handy. Let's take a closer look at the earbuds. The case, as I've previously stated, is nice and small. It's finished in matte black and has a nice soft and smooth feel to it. It has a mirrored finished Soundcore logo on the front and a small dot. They're white dots that basically denote the current power level. On the back you have Type-C charging port and a small button that's used for manual pairing as well as to reset the earbuds. The earbuds are nicely fitted inside the case and are finished in a gloss black and matte grey. These are designed to fit inside or within your ear rather than the more conventional type that slightly dangle or hang off the ear. They have a magnetic contact when popping them back into the case and you can feel them sticking, into position. The inside of the case is also labelled with left and right so you can put the right earbud in the correct slot. Let's take both the earbuds out of the case for a closer look. Now, what do you think about this design over the more conventional type? Now personally, I always have trouble finding earbuds that fit and stay in my ears. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, one of the nice features about these earbuds is that you can charge the case wirelessly. This I believe is a great feature as I hate messy cables. Wireless charging is just so much more neat and convenient, especially as I have wireless chargers dotted all over my house. So let's take a look at the Soundcore app. Now I've installed the app on my iPhone and I've paired the iPhone with the A40 earbuds. So this is the app. It looks nice and clean and well laid out. On the top it shows a big photograph of the earbuds and the battery life of the left and right earbud. Below that we have different type of ambient sound setting. You have noise cancellation, normal or transparent mode. Below that we have touch controls for the left and right earbuds. There's also a feature called Hear ID. Now this basically builds a personal sound profile unique to you to give you a better personalized sound experience. You also have various sound effects and predefined EQ settings. And of course you can also create your own custom EQ settings as well. Now you can also control various settings within the app, including turning on a gaming mode. There's a section on correctly wearing and fitment of the actual earbuds. It's called the fit test. And you can also update the system software as well. You can also use a feature to basically find the earbuds. All in all, it's a great app with some great features. It's easy to use and well laid out. Overall, these are some really nice earbuds with some great sound quality, the ability to customize noise cancellation to suit you, and is accompanied by a fantastic app. Let's now take a look at the Q45 headphones. So this is the Space Q45 wireless headphones. Now the box design is almost identical to that of the A40. These are also heavily centered around noise cancellation and extended battery life. Let's take a closer look at the box. So the design and features of these headphones is almost identical to that of the A40 earbuds. The box design on the front is also the same. Both offer high-res audio, adaptive active noise cancellation and up to 98% noise reduction, and again the same 50 hours of playtime. On one side of the box, again it has the same image with the tagline "Loved by 20 million plus people," and on the opposite side it has similar info in regards to testing by SGS. On the back of the box, again, the featured offers are almost identical to the A40 earbuds. These also have adaptive noise cancelling, 50 hours of playtime, high-res audio, again via double-layer diaphragm drivers, AI enhanced calls via 2 mics, noise reduction by 98%, and customizable transparency mode. And of course, like the earbuds, you can also download the Soundcore app for these as well, available for both Android and Apple devices. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's included. So inside you're presented with large black zipped case with a Soundcore branding on the front. So other than the case, there's also a quick start guide which we'll have a quick look through a little later. So let's take a look at the headphones. So inside the case, the headphones are folded and you also get some cables. There's a USB A to C charging cable and a 3.5mm audio cable. The headphones are finished in a mixture of gloss and matte black with some soft black leather ear cups. There are Soundcore branding on either side of the headband and also on the ear cups. So these are over-ear headphones with a folding design, and both ear cups have a good amount of rotating adjustment, and of course the headband also offers extendable adjustments as well. There's plenty of padding on the ear cups, so it should be comfortable for a long period of use, and likewise there's also plenty of padding on the headband as well. The headband is also flexible and offers plenty of slack to fit heads of all sizes. In terms of controls, on the right ear cup there's the volume up and down control, there's a physical play and pause button, and a 3.5mm audio lead port. On the left ear cup there's a Type-C charging port, there's a power button and a small light indicator as well, and there's a button for the adaptive noise cancellation. The Q45 is an over-ear wireless headphone, and I have to admit it looks really nice in all black. The design is neat and tidy, not too bulky or heavy, and is comfortable to wear. It has easy to access on-ear controls, and the headphone offers plenty of adjustments for a nice and comfortable fit. Aesthetically, it looks really nice on my desk setup as well. The quick start guide, like the A40 earbuds, offers some great info and comes in handy. Again, like the earbuds, this guide is almost identical in its layout and offers information on how to correctly wear the headphones. Charging times, it takes 2 hours to fully charge these, and a quick 5-minute charge offers 4 hours of playtime. The rest of the guide is pretty standard and talks about pairing and controls and etc. Again, similar to the A40 earbuds, and of course there's also a section on the Soundcore app as well. And finally, the Soundcore app. The features and controls offered for the Q45 is basically similar to the A40 earbuds. Again, you have access to the same features and controls as the earbuds. You can change the adaptive noise cancellation, you can look at the EQ presets and make your own presets, you can change various settings such as updating the firmware. It's the same software, but this time round it's adapted around the headphones. All in all, both products offer similar features and app controls. Both have fantastic noise cancellation and really long battery life. The earbuds are nice and small and very light, and the headphones are very comfortable. Both products are great. Which you go for is purely based on your preference of either having earbuds or headphones, but personally you can't go wrong with either. My favorite choice is probably the headphones because I love the way they look. I really like the all black finish and they are really comfortable. Let me know which is your choice in the comments below. Well folks, thanks for watching this brief unboxing video. I will link the product below, and as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to come back to you. Until next time, take care and I'll see you soon.